click on the new, or you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+N, or if you are using the Mac computer, that is Command+N. Okay, so here I'm using Windows computer. So after clicking on the file, drop down menu will appear like this. So this is the new document dialog box. This is the new document dialog box here. Okay, it's correct. Here is 148, here is 148, here is 210, here is 210. Do you understand? Good. You can also change the units here. You can change it, but let's maintain the millimeters. After that, we come to orientation. This is orientation. So right now the size we've chosen is in portrait form because the width is smaller than the height, so definitely it's going to be portrait. Do you understand? If you want to change documents, so I'm going to name it my positive So this is how you can create a new document in Adobe Photoshop 2020 or any other version. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you.